An important message from Sudden Impact Auto Body.
Accidents are a big problem here in Las Vegas. I'm here to give you some advice on what steps to take when you do get in an accident.
First and foremost, when you get into a car accident, make sure that everyone is okay. And then contact your insurance company.
Once you've been in an accident, give us a call. We can help you with the process of making a claim with your insurance company and write you an estimate. Once your vehicle's in the shop, we'll go ahead and get the vehicle torn down so we can do a thorough inspection of the damages.
It's known throughout Las Vegas that we stand behind everything we do 100%. We warranty all of our repairs.
When you arrive to pick up your vehicle, we go over all the repairs that we've done with you and explain our lifetime warranty.
No insurance company can tell you where to take your vehicle for repairs. And it's actually against the law for any insurance company to tell you you have to take it to a certain repair facility.
If you have any questions or concerns, we are always here to help.
Let our family serve your family.
It's your choice. Have a voice. Bring it to Sudden Impact Auto Body.